Number 6, you're going to find the product here. These are all a binomial squared. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is notice that x squared is in expanding form, just x times x. So I'm just going to expand this out. It's going to be x plus 7 times x plus 7. Now I'm going to distribute that x times the x, so x parentheses x, the x times the 7, so x parentheses 7, then the 7 times the x, so 7 parentheses x, and then the 7 times the 7. All right, combine. Let's do the multiplication. X times x, x squared. X times 7, 7x. 7 times x is 7x. And 7 times 7, it is 49. This and this are like terms. Becomes 14x. Bring everything else down. X squared plus 14x plus 49. Next, here we expand this out as well. 7x minus 3 times 7x minus 3 is another way of writing this. Okay, now we can just distribute 7x times 7x, 7x times negative 3, 7x times negative 3, negative 3 times 7x, and then negative 3 times negative 3. 7x times 7x is 49x squared. 7x times negative 3 is negative 21x. Negative 3 times 7x is negative 21x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. These two are like terms. Negative 21x minus 21x becomes negative 42x. Bring everything else down. 49x squared minus 42x plus 9. C, let's expand this out. 4x minus y, parentheses 4x minus y. Now we're going to distribute. So 4x, parentheses 4x. 4x times the negative y. Negative y times 4x. And then negative y times negative y. If you write it out, it's much easier. 4x times 4x is negative 16x squared. 4x times negative y is negative 4xy. Negative y times 4x, it is a negative 4xy. Negative y times y is negative y squared. Notice these are like terms. Negative 4x and negative 4x becomes negative 8xy. Bring everything else down. And there you go. The final answer is 16x squared minus 8xy minus y squared. Letter D. 3m plus n is the first binomial, and then times itself, 3m plus n. Distributive property, 3m times 3m. 3m times n, so 3m times n. N times 3n, n times 3n, m. And then n times n, so n parentheses n. All right, 3m times 3m, it is 9m squared. 3m times n, 3mn. N times 3m is 3nm. N times n, it is n squared. These two are like terms, getting you 6mn. Bring everything else down. 9m squared plus 6mn plus n squared. So there you go. That is all these questions of just finding the product. These are actually special polynomials that you are determining.